Hi and welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to get an MI control center on GIGASET GS190. First we have to go to the Google Play Store and look for an application called MI Control Center. Yep. And install the first application, and that pops up. It's called MI Control Center Notifications and Quick Actions. Install. Wait for a short while. Okay, open it. Come on. Try a limited version. Give dual SIM permissions, accessibility, MI Control Center use service. Okay. Let's go back. Notifications, MI Control Center, allow. And now we should be actually golden. That's everything we had to do. Okay, skip this part, skip this part. And now if we try to open up the notifications bar like this, swiping from top to the bottom, as you can see, instead we open this neatly looking control center from MI. It's just an imitation on your Android device, but it works exactly the same. We got the, I guess it's the light mode. I have never used MI Control Center before, so sorry for that. But yeah, that's everything for this video. That's how you get MI Control Center on GIGASET GS190. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.